Good morning. This is Freese-Notis meteorologist Joshua Seneschal, and to give you a quick update as to the latest condition of the El Nino Southern Oscillation. Now, it's interesting that the last 4 weeks or so we've seen a lot of warming going on in this region. Our sea surface temperatures right in the central equatorial Pacific Ocean have really begun to warm. And I do think that is a bit of a sign that we might be transitioning closer and closer towards an El Nino pattern. Now, the image you're going to be looking at right here is a look at the evolution of our Nino sea surface temperatures, the anomalies, over the last 4 weeks. And I want you to pay attention to the purple line here. And what you can see here is that we've seen a very consistent warming from the beginning of March to the present, and we've actually seen a rapid warming just over the last 24 hours. And our sea surface temperature anomaly right now is over a half a degree Celsius. And as I mentioned earlier, if we can sustain this, then we'll be looking at an actual El Nino. Now, what is the climate model forecast? Are we going to see these sea surface temperatures stay above a half a degree Celsius? Well, the CFS model says yes. And it does look like we should see a slow but steady warming of our Nino 3.4 temperatures all the way into the fall. Now, what does this mean? Well, we could see El Nino conditions developing as early as late spring, and we could fulfill a full-fledged El Nino by the mid to late summer. So it does look like we're seeing at least some signals that we're transitioning closer towards an El Nino. And if we do get an El Nino for the summer, climatologically, that means we should see near to above normal rainfall for portions of the Corn Belt and also into the plains. So that would mean a potentially wetter pattern for areas that have been drier than normal the last several months. And it also favors above normal corn and soybean yields. So this is a situation that is just developing. We'll continue to monitor it over the next several weeks. But from here on out, it looks like we may be on the path towards an El Nino for the summer.